Rudd's Home Farm, and today, on this beautiful day, I'm going to teach you how to keep rabbits out of your raised bed gardens. Stay with me. So I really didn't want to use those large fences and have to dig down all this depth and put stakes in the ground, and I just kind of wanted a simple method just to keep rabbits out of your garden while your plants are small and tender and they love to eat it. They've been a really big problem. I haven't been able to grow much because I'd say about 80% of everything I plant will get eaten in some way by a rabbit before it gets to maturity, and it's just like, I don't want to waste 80% of my time growing crops. And so instead of making a big giant fence around you that's hard to work with, you could get these here, and these are gutter stakes. So you just get a gutter stake from Home Depot, and you can just put this on there, put your chicken wire. I'm sorry, this is chicken wire, by the way, 4-foot chicken wire, and this is an 8-foot bed. And if you want to divide your bed into 2 sections, you can put chicken wire on each side and then take one off as the plants you are growing mature. So over here is sunflower, and then over here is going to be pea shoots. So when the sunflower comes up and is of appropriate height, no longer to be bothered by rabbits, you just go ahead and just snap this off. If you need a weed or de-weed or anything like that, it takes a couple seconds just to pop it off. Move it out your way. See, like that? It's out of your way, you can do whatever you need. So I prefer that in comparison to gates and having to reach over chicken wire and trying to do your stuff. I just like to easy couple second method to put it on there and put it off. You don't need it for the entire growth of the plant. Rabbits just like the really small tender shoots, but once the sunflower gets like a couple, maybe a foot or so tall, they leave them alone. So I'll go ahead and show you how I did this. Since I'm planting 2 different types of plants in this flower bed, I got 2 different chicken wire 4-foot sections. It's 4 foot by 4 foot. So you just go ahead and already pre-stamped some of them. Oh, this is gonna be difficult, isn't it? All right, hold on. All right, so chicken wire is a little bit difficult to mess with, so with one hand, that's pretty tough. So you're gonna go ahead and I already put 2 stakes in here, one on that side and one in that corner, attach the chicken wire, and then I'm just gonna reach the chicken wire over here. Let's see, and I'm gonna place it right here so I can see how far over I need to go. Try to get as close as possible. And I'm just gonna drill a hole. When you're working with wood, soft wood, it's best to always drill holes before you hammer that nail in, before you hammer nails in. You just split wood so fast, it's ridiculous. So I'll be back once I drill a hole right here. Done.
Now do your cutting thing.
I don't have to cut yet. Okay, so now the hole is drilled right here. Just do a little bit smaller than your nail. Make sure you don't drill bigger than your nail because you still need a little bit of bite in there. So go ahead and put it in there. Once again, a little difficult one-handed. All right, just nail it in, leave a little bit of, see that little there, leave it a little bit. That's where the chicken wire will rest on. Put it right there. And then you got it on there. And then we'll go ahead and do the other side. Then you snip the wire with tin snips. That's this right here. These are tin snips, wire cutters, whatever you do. These just make the job easier. There's other ways to do it, but I like doing job the easiest way. These are like $15 at Home Depot. Make your job easy cutting the chicken wire. And we're back. About to hammer the other side in. Again, it's not rocket science. Doesn't have to be perfect. Rabbits won't climb under here, and it doesn't even need to be evenly perfect either, or like overlapping or anything crazy. A rabbit won't have anything to do with this because it's just not comfortable for them to nibble on some stuff and to poke their head up and around. They're not going to put themselves underneath a net and it kind of trap themselves because they want to keep an eye out for predators and they want an easy escape. So this is good enough to keep rabbits out of your garden. Once again, I had a big problem with rabbits, and now we're going to have great sunflowers and pea shoots. After you go ahead and get it all set up, then you go ahead and snip it. I like to give it a little room, maybe one row extra. So right about here, you can see it. There you go. And you just see how easy tin snips is. You can do it with electrical wire cutters, diagonal cutters, whatever, but I like to be efficient with my time. And so this is what this is made for. This is made for, tin snips are made for cutting thin pieces of metal. And you can see there's like no effort whatsoever. Giving it the good old snip. Thanks for watching how to get rid of rabbits. I got these up next. Thanks, bye.